What is going on, guys? Pete Koulis here. Hope you're doing well today. So in this video, I have a major announcement to make. I'm very excited to make this announcement. And first, I'm going to start by circling back to this video that I made about a month and a half ago. And if you recall in this video, I described to you some Amazon algorithm changes, some updates, and the video seemed to get some major interest and traction compared to some of my other videos. And if you also recall, if you're one of the people who are engaged with my channel, okay, I also told you to comment the keyword phrase product launch in the comment section of the video. Many of you did, as you can see, because you were interested in what I had to offer and share with you in the next video. And that video is being done today, the one you're hearing right now. For all you guys right here who commented this keyword phrase product launch, this video is essentially more or less for you, but of course it is also for everybody else watching. The only caveat is the people who commented this phrase below are going to get first dibs and priority access to what I'm about to share with you. So as you guys know by now, if you've been following me for any length of time, you know, I have an Amazon agency where I launch and rank products for clients. That's essentially what I do. I'm an Amazon ranking specialist, I guess you would say. So before today, I was only doing private sort of projects where brands and people would reach out to me privately. I would conduct services for them, things of that nature. Now I am happy to announce that I actually have my full-on agency that is available to the public. Yes, my services are now available to everybody who is interested, and it's not just closed off to a select few people. My main service that I'm referring to is this launch service, supercharged product launch service that you see here on the screen. You can read all this stuff, what it's about. I just want to give you a few things about why it's completely different than any other launch service that you have ever seen. I can guarantee you that, and which is why your results are going to be different too. I use full price sales, no coupons, gets you higher rankings, gets you verified reviews, makes everything work 10 times better. That's number one. Number two is I actually designed the custom funnels, the ManyChat Facebook Messenger sequences. I designed the Facebook ad. I run the Facebook ad for up to 21 days. Yes, I actually run a custom Facebook ad for your Amazon product for up to 3 weeks time, okay? This is not cookie cutter. I'm not just sending out email blasts to a massive list, doing the same exact thing as everybody else, guys. This is completely custom tailored to you, to your budget, to your product. So there are two different options for this launch service, one that requires more work for me and one that requires more work for you. Obviously, they come with different price points as well. There is no price point displayed on the website for a reason, because I actually want to speak with you privately first before we actually discuss that. One other thing is, yes, there is an option if you want to have a done for you, which is what I'm referring to right here. This is a done for you service. Or there is another option if you are somebody who wants to actually learn how to do all this stuff for yourself. There's an option for you there as well. So that is about as much as I'm going to get into about this particular service on this video. You know, you guys can read more about it on my website. This is the website right here. Here is the launch service, and this is it. So coolproducts.com, coolproducts.com. Again, I'm happy to announce that it's finally available. It's been long awaited. I've had to put a lot of pieces in place to make this work. Now let's get to that keyword of volume real quick. I cannot handle a ton of launches at once just because it's an insane amount of work for me and for my assistants, okay? That is why you guys right here in the description of this video who actually took the time to comment are going to get first access if you are interested, if this makes sense for you. I'm going to definitely prioritize you over anybody else simply because you took action, and I can see that you're committed to what I have to offer and you like what I have to say. So I appreciate that greatly. So you guys are going to get the first mover access to this. I cannot take a ton of people. That's not some marketing, hype. That's actually reality, because like I said, these take up a lot of time. This is not some cookie cutter program. This actually takes manual labor, and there's only 24 hours in a day. That being said, that is all the detail I have. If you really want to learn how this all works, how I launch products on rinse and repeat and achieve high page one rankings literally every single time, that's not an exaggeration, the best thing that you can do is go to the first link in the description of this video. The link is going to look like this right here. product launch case study, and it'll bring you to this page right here. You sign up, and it's about a 40 to 45 minute presentation that I recorded. It spills all the beans, insanely valuable, tells you everything you need to know. And then at the end of that presentation, you're going to get a chance to book a call with me. And it's as simple as that. Watch the presentation, learn exactly how everything works, determine if it's right for you or not. If it's right, if you're interested, book a call with me and you get to speak directly with me. That's the announcement I have to make. That's about all I have to share. Nothing of incredible value on this video in terms of content, but I was upfront with you guys. I told you that I just had something to share, an announcement. This is the announcement. My agency is now open. My service is now open. I also have a do-it-yourself solution if you want to learn how to do all this stuff yourself and not have it done for you. I have been getting so many people reaching out to me privately on Facebook, via email. Hey, Pete, I want you to launch my product. What can I do to have you launch my product? When is your launch service open? I've been getting all sorts of emails, all sorts of Facebook private messages. Well, today is the day that I'm happy to announce that everything is open for business. But I just also want to reiterate, I can't take 20 people on at once. I can only take on a few. I don't have an exact number of people that I can take on. I'm going to have to make that determination as we cross that bridge. But if you're truly interested, if you truly want your product to be ranked on the top of page 1 of Amazon, and you have a little bit of money to spend, okay, this is not some cheap solution that's going to be right for everybody. I'm just going to be upfront. Then definitely watch that case study video that I referenced, book the call with me after you watch the training, and we can be off to the races. With that being said, guys, my name is Pete, founder and CEO of CoolProducts.com. Can't wait to work with you if this makes sense for you, and have a great day.